over 60? Add this to your coffee to stop muscle loss and fight sarcopenia naturally. You've probably heard it before. Coffee dehydrates you. It upsets your stomach, and you should never drink it on an empty stomach. Because of warnings like these, many people over 60 have started to second-guess their daily cup. Some even ask me, should I stop drinking coffee? Do I really have to give up that peaceful morning ritual, the one that gives me clarity, warmth, and a sense of being myself? Thing hardly anyone tells older adults. That same morning coffee, with just one simple addition, can turn into a powerful ally against weak legs, aching knees, and age muscle loss, what doctors call sarcopenia. In fact, celebrities like Jennifer Aniston, now in her 50s, add things like collagen and cinnamon to their coffee each day, not just for beauty, but for joint comfort, energy, and muscle recovery. And if it works for her, imagine what it might do for you, especially after 60. If you start your morning with a cup of coffee, you're not alone. For many seniors, it's more than a drink. It's a calming moment before the day begins. The good news is you don't have to quit. You just need to give it a smart upgrade. In this video, I'll show you exactly what to stir into your coffee so it can protect your muscles, ease inflammation, boost energy, and slow down muscle aging. And I want to hear from you. What do you add to your coffee now? A spoon of sugar, a splash of cream, or just the usual black? Drop a comment below. I read every one and will help guide you to the best choice for your body. For now, grab your cup because one small change tomorrow morning could shape how far you'll still walk 10 years from now. 1. Add MCT oil to coffee. Spark cell energy and protect muscles after 60. The first upgrade is simple. Add pure MCT oil to your morning coffee. This little tweak can wake up your cells and help safeguard your muscles as you age. And this isn't just theory. British actress and fitness enthusiast Gemma Atkinson, now in her 40s, blends MCT oil into her coffee every morning to fuel her workouts, keep hormones balanced, and maintain steady energy all day. If it helps her stay strong with such a demanding lifestyle, imagine what it can do for seniors who want to hold on to muscle strength. MCT oil, short for medium-chain triglycerides, is a unique type of fat. Unlike regular fats, it goes straight to your liver, where it's quickly turned into ketones, a clean-burning fuel for both your muscles and brain. After 60, the body doesn't process sugar for energy as efficiently, and the mitochondria, your muscles' little power plants, slow down. That's when ketones from MCT oil step in to give your muscles the fuel they need, without the sugar crash. Science backs this up. A 2020 study in Aging Cell found that MCT oil improved mitochondrial function in older adults and slowed muscle breakdown. On top of that, it helps improve insulin sensitivity, which is crucial since insulin resistance is one of the hidden reasons muscle loss speeds up after 60. The best part? It's easy. After brewing your coffee, stir in 1 teaspoon of pure MCT oil while it's still hot. Use a spoon or a milk frother to mix it smoothly. It's nearly tasteless, unlike coconut oil, and won't affect your coffee's flavor. If you're new to it, start with just half a teaspoon so your digestion can adjust. After a week, increase to 1 teaspoon. You can drink it before breakfast or with a light meal. What matters most is daily consistency, since that's what protects your muscles over time. And like Gemma, you may notice steadier energy, clearer focus, and less morning fatigue without needing shakes or extra supplements. Just 1 teaspoon a day, blended into the coffee you already enjoy, can become your new ritual of strength. 2. Add hydrolyzed collagen, repair and rebuild weak muscles after 60. The next upgrade, add hydrolyzed collagen, also called collagen peptides, into your morning coffee. This isn't just about skin. After 60, collagen becomes a must-have nutrient for anyone dealing with stiff joints, sore muscles, or feeling slow to bounce back after even light movement. Take Jennifer Aniston, for example. Now in her 50s, she swears by adding collagen to her coffee every morning, sometimes mixing it with cinnamon or almond milk. She does it not just for glowing skin, but for stronger joints, healthier nails, and smoother muscle recovery. She's even said it helps her feel stronger and more energized as she gets older. Here's why it matters. Collagen makes up more than 30% of the protein in your body. It's found in muscles, tendons, and connective tissues. But by the time you hit 60, your natural collagen production slows way down, especially the types that keep muscle fibers strong, flexible, and resilient. Hydrolyzed collagen is already broken down into smaller pieces so your body can absorb it faster and put it to use right away, and research supports this. A 2015 study in the British Journal of Nutrition found that older adults who took collagen built more lean muscle when they exercised, even lightly, compared to those who exercised without it. Collagen provides the raw building blocks your body needs, like glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, to repair worn-out tissues. And it doesn't just help muscle, it strengthens tendons, supports joints, and even helps with balance. Without enough collagen, simple things like walking, standing, or getting up from a chair can become harder over time. Here's how to take it. Dissolve 1 scoop, about 10 g, of hydrolyzed collagen into your hot coffee. It blends easily with no taste or smell, so it won't change your coffee's flavor. If you'd like, add a splash of almond milk, a little nut butter, or a sprinkle of cinnamon, just like Jennifer does, for even more benefits. One tip: choose a high-quality collagen that's been lab-tested and free from added sugars or artificial flavors. Be patient and give it at least 8 weeks. You'll start to notice improvements in recovery, strength, and joint flexibility. So if you felt your body slowing down, tightening up, or getting more fragile, collagen could be your gentle, daily partner. 1 scoop each morning, 1 small act of self-care, and maybe 1 step back toward the strength and confidence you thought you'd lost. 3. Add a pinch of cinnamon. Quietly slow muscle decline after 60. The third upgrade couldn't be easier. Just sprinkle a little cinnamon into your morning coffee. Don't let its sweetness fool you. This everyday spice packs real power when it comes to protecting muscle after 60. Take Kelly Clarkson, for example. After struggling with low energy and stubborn weight, she started adding cinnamon and MCT oil to her coffee each day as part of a clean living routine. She credits this simple habit with helping her balance her metabolism, boost her morning energy, and support lean muscle without extreme diets or heavy supplements. So why cinnamon? After 60, one of the hidden drivers of muscle loss isn't just inactivity, it's insulin resistance. When the body becomes less responsive to insulin, it has trouble moving glucose and amino acids into your muscles. That means your muscles aren't getting the nutrition they need to stay strong. Over time, the body begins breaking down muscle to make up for that energy shortage. Cinnamon, especially true Ceylon cinnamon, contains polyphenols, most importantly cinnamaldehyde, which helps improve insulin sensitivity and reduce inflammation throughout the body. A 2020 study in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry showed that older adults who took cinnamon extract for 12 weeks improved blood sugar control and lowered inflammatory markers, 2 key factors tied directly to age: muscle decline. When insulin works properly, your muscles can hold on to nutrients and rebuild. When it doesn't, muscle breakdown speeds up. That's why cinnamon is more than just a flavor boost. It's a natural metabolic support. Here's how to use it. Add about half a teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon to your hot coffee each morning. Its warm, spicy aroma blends perfectly with the coffee you already enjoy. And unlike pills or powders, this is a natural food source, not a supplement. A few tips. Stick with Ceylon cinnamon instead of the more common cassia variety, since cassia has higher coumarin levels, a compound that can stress the liver if taken in large amounts. Don't go over 1 teaspoon per day. Mix it well into hot liquid for best absorption. This tiny ritual, just like it has for Kelly Clarkson, can make your mornings steadier, more energized, and more protective for your muscles. Because sometimes what you sip matters more than what's on your plate. 4. Add nut butter. Provide steady energy, balance hormones, and protect muscles. Last but definitely not least, let's talk about one of the tastiest ways to protect your muscles after 60. Stir a spoonful of natural nut butter into your coffee. It may sound unusual, but celebrities like Harry Styles and Shailene Woodley, both big fans of holistic health, enjoy a bulletproof style coffee by adding almond or hazelnut butter. They do it for steady energy, clear focus, and hormone balance. While they're younger, the science behind this habit makes it even more valuable for seniors dealing with age, muscle loss, and hormone decline. So why nut butter? It's loaded with healthy fats, especially monounsaturated fats that strengthen muscle cell walls, calm inflammation, and support hormones like testosterone and DHEA. These hormones naturally decline with age, but are key for keeping muscle mass strong. Research backs this up. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that diets rich in these fats helped older adults hold on to lean muscle and reduce protein breakdown. On top of that, nut butters like almond or hazelnut provide vitamin E, magnesium, and manganese, a powerful trio that boosts energy inside your muscle cells, supports repair, and improves insulin sensitivity. Here's how to do it. Stir 1 teaspoon of nut butter into your hot coffee if you're using a French press or a coffee maker. Wait until it's brewed before adding. The result is a smooth, creamy cup that pairs beautifully with a sprinkle of cinnamon or a scoop of collagen, layering the upgrades we've already talked about. When you choose nut butter, go for natural, unsweetened ones made with just one ingredient: ground nuts. Skip anything with added sugar, seed oils, or fillers. Almond butter has a mild flavor, perfect if you're just starting out. Hazelnut butter is richer and pairs wonderfully with dark roast coffee. And here's a bonus. Nut butter slows down caffeine absorption, giving you steady, lasting energy without the jitters, a big plus for people over 60. Not everyone feels like eating a big breakfast first thing, but with just 1 spoon of nut butter, your coffee becomes a muscle-friendly, hormone-supporting, energy-balancing ritual. Sip by sip, you're not just drinking coffee, you're building strength. After 60, real strength doesn't just come from hours at the gym. It comes from the little choices you repeat every day. A spoonful of nut butter, a dash of cinnamon, a scoop of collagen, or a swirl of MCT oil in your morning coffee. There's no miracle pill, but these quiet, consistent habits supporting your hormones, calming inflammation, and protecting your muscles are the true foundation of lasting strength in later life. And the best part? You don't have to turn your whole life upside down. Just start with your coffee. Let it become a partner for your muscles, your energy, and your future self. So if coffee is already part of your morning, what will you try adding tomorrow? Share it in the comments below. We read each one and will reply with personal tips just for you. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss another health tip from Healthy 247, where growing older is just the beginning of new strength.